All right, welcome guys. Today's video, we're on our way out to see the Red Lotus Floating Market. And since it's Thailand and it's the tropics, ran into a little bit of a rain storm. So anyway, I had to pull off on the side of the road on my motorcycle, but it's really fantastic anyway. It's like, whatever. The countryside is just amazing. So let me show you what it looks like, and then we'll keep on going on our trip to the Red Lotus Floating Market. So it's just in rural Thailand, and as you can see, here's a rice paddy, and just just a normal part of Thailand. Got some banana trees, and the whole way along, I mean, once we got out of Bangkok, we just started running into rice paddies, palms, just all kinds of stuff. They have fields full of lilies and lotuses, and just everything you want, everything you can imagine, and just really cool. Alright, so here we are. This is the Red Lotus Floating Market. From the parking lot, it looks very empty. So they have a cafe that's open every day. Alright, so they're supposed to have some boats here, so you can take a little boat out into the water. But let's look around and see what the market looks like really quick. Okay, so we did the artwork all around along the entrance here. And here's the boat. And down in there is the market. We got kind of some hanging little vines and all of that. Okay, so the tickets to the boat is 100 baht per person. And you can dress in the Thai style if you would like. You can rent the Thai costume for 350 baht. And then you can get a picture with the drone for 40 baht for one image. So they'll take the drone from up above, just like that. And here's the little boat rental. Looks nice. She's got the big water lilies, those giant leaf water lilies, and some pink ones. Now this is pretty. This is a little water lily field basically, and it's about 9 rai, which is 4.5 acres. And then you have a cafe right next to there, so you can eat some lunch. And so here's Red Lotus Cafe. Looks like it's just basically a coffee shop. Nothing too exciting. They have some nice little painted umbrellas outside at least. So they spent quite a bit of money on decorations and artwork. Looks like they have a little place here set up for the kids to play. There's no kids here, so and some of the pomelo, the samo. Check out this. This is some serious fish, and they are going crazy. They want some food. They have these little paddle boats, I guess you can take. Not what I'm going to do today. They have this little part of the floating market. So there's quite a bit to this floating market, but there is just nobody here, which is a shame. This is a Saturday around noon. It's a great spot. It's just kind of way out in the country. And then the highlight of this big lotus pond right here. It's supposed to be 9 rai, which I guess is about 4.5 or so acres of water lilies and lotuses. And so they have just a bunch of these little stalls, but it is just so quiet. And this market's supposed to be open from 9 a.m. until 4 p.m. But there's just nobody here, which is a shame. It's just really a pretty area. I mean, it's really rural to get here. You go through quite a bit of rice paddies and all of that. It's like a lot of them have closed up, just probably lack of customers with a bad economy. And it's a shame because they've done quite a bit to this market. They've done a lot of art, plus building the little pier here that it's all built on. They have a little pier here with the flowers on the top and the little gourds hanging down. Go out there and take pictures or whatever you want. And down here at the very back of the floating market, they have a little place here to go out there and do Instagram photos. Alright, so they have like a little juice bar and some seating out here, which this isn't too bad. So you can drink your coffee or whatever and kind of enjoy a little bit of a view. Okay, so they have a little bit of Thai desserts, and then they have the cook to order type foods. You can get all the som tam and the usual stuff here. One of the few places that is open. Same here, so you can get the kapow. Looks like 50 to 60 baht. And the kai jiao. And some of the noodles. Alright, so what you see is this market used to be probably pretty good. Now it's almost completely dead. There's not a whole lot to see. Almost everything is closed up. Kind of the highlight of what you can do here is take a little boat out onto the water lily thing and pay 100 baht each person for it, but it doesn't really seem worth it to me. So if anybody is wanting to come over to this market, I would suggest don't waste your time. Really disappointed because I saw this online and it looked pretty cool, and I don't know, but anyway, it's not anything to do. So hopefully you enjoyed the video. If you did, make sure you click like and subscribe and share it and leave me a comment. If you've been here before and you liked it, you know, you were lucky. So anyway, remember guys, life is a journey, so enjoy.